Hi, Scott from Vault Safety. Let's talk insulated floor matting. These items are an essential component of electrical safety, used to provide protection against electrical shock and hazards around potential live equipment. But it's not just for electricians. In fact, industries such as painters, plumbers, roof workers, and now EV automotive mechanics should be using either insulated covers or floor matting. So, how do you know what protection you need? Well, it is important to know your working voltage or the voltage you may be exposed to. So let's start with floor matting, also known as dielectric carpets, commonly used for working in front of switchboards, pillars, and pits. And there's many options to choose from, starting with our Class A indoor-outdoor mat, commonly sized of 1 meter by 1 meter, or a customized length of up to 10 meters long. This mat has been tested to AS/NZ 2978. Now there must be a standard and a working voltage on any dielectric mat, as shown on our mats here. Now if you're after a lighter mat with high flexibility, the IEC 6111 are a great option for you. Our Class 0 mat is only 3mm thick and weighing only 4.5 kilos, maximum voltage of 1000 volts. Our Class 2 mat is 4.5mm thick, maximum use of 17 kV. Our Class 4 mat is 6mm thick, maximum use of 36 kV. All of Vault Safety mats are made from a high quality blend of EPDM rubber. This gives the mats excellent flexibility and resistance to UV and ozone cracking. A great way to protect your mat is with our clever designed mat roll bag. This can stay under the mat at all times, keeping the mat protected from sharp objects or debris. This design makes it easy to unpack and pack. It's made from heavy-duty PVC material, which makes it easy to clean too. If you're not using the mat for an extended period of time, it's best to roll it out flat and keep it in a dark, cool place. This will enhance the life of your mat. If you need any more information about mats or any of our Vault Safety products, please jump on our website or give us a call.
Get yours today at Sparky Direct.